Have you ever seen a fruit that grows straight on the trunk of a tree? Meet Bilimbi, also known as Avaroa bilimbi, a small, green, and super sour tropical fruit. Native to Southeast Asia, this unique fruit is packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. Today, we're exploring everything about bilimbi, from its uses to its amazing health benefits. Bilimbi fruits grow in clusters along the branches and trunk of the tree. They are green when raw and turn slightly yellow when ripe. Their taste is extremely sour, which makes them perfect for pickles, chutneys, juices, and as a natural souring agent in cooking. Unlike other fruits, bilimbi is rarely eaten raw due to its intense tartness. This tiny fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. Vitamin C helps strengthen your immune system and keeps your skin healthy. Bilimbi is also low in calories, making it a great addition to your diet without adding extra weight. Bilimbi offers many health benefits. It can aid digestion, support heart health, and help regulate blood sugar levels. Traditionally, it has even been used to relieve coughs, colds, and skin issues. Its natural antioxidants help fight free radicals, promoting overall well-being. So next time you see this small, green, sour fruit, don't overlook it. Bilimbi is nature's little superfruit, ready to boost your health and add a zing to your meals.